Okay, in this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to model the round square wooden clock, which you can see that it's designed by the Žiga Gorjup and it's from the Behance website. So I'm going to show you how you can model this clock in Grasshopper. And as you can see, we can also define the radius of the circle. We can define the degree of rotation. We can define the segments of the center of the clock, so it's going to be a triangle. Maybe we want to start from a triangle and then go to a square or maybe a hexagon and so on. So you can define this. You can also change the starting curves to a predefined NURBS curve, as you can see here, or maybe just a simple curve we have drawn before. So this tutorial will just take you to the steps to how to model this round square wooden clock.